Hello everyone, this is Paul Idle with Paradigm Tactical Systems. Just want to give you a quick glance at some of the items you may want to keep on hand if you've purchased or are thinking about purchasing one of our PTX bullpups. For one, most of our chassis is, you can break it down by pulling pins. So that's a toolless pin there. You pull the back cap off and adjust the weapon from here. Your PSI, FPS, everything can be changed. We also have an Allen key that is needed. Usually you're going to have a Q-tip, or I like to use longer wooden Q-tips for putting lube on your O-rings, and then I have an O-ring pick. That is pretty much it, guys. That's just about everything you need, unless you're putting accessories on that may require a tool to put it on the Picatinny rail or your scope or something along those lines, or your red dot. So that's pretty much all the tools that you should ever really use on this weapon. Thank you.